Now let's see these questions. First one is, the sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. Then the perimeter is 78 centimeters. Then the length of the smallest side is. So if you see this, the ratio of the sides is given, but then it is given in fractions. Now in the topic of ratios, again I will discuss about how to convert the ratios into numbers. But here just simple thing, find out the LCM and multiply all the three numbers. Okay. So what I mean to say is, if you don't want to deal with fractions, 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4, best thing is find out the LCM of the denominators. So what is the LCM of the denominators? You see, it need not be LCM only, it can be any common multiple. You need not take LCM only, you can take anything. So in this case, if you find out that the LCM is 12, you apply it. Otherwise, even if you multiply with 24 also, it doesn't matter. Okay. Now you try to take the 12 and multiply all the three numbers with 12. Then what do you get here? 6 is to 4 is to 3. So this is the ratio in which the sides are present. Okay. Now once you find it out, try to, even if you can simplify it, just see it. So 6 is to 4 is to 3, you cannot further simplify it. Now you can assume that each side is 6x, 4x and 3x. So that is each side. Now once you find out this side, they are given that the perimeter is 78 centimeters, right? Therefore 6x plus 4x plus 3x equal to 78. Got it? So now you will find out that x equal to 6. So what is that they are asking? They are asking what is the value of the smallest side. Now the smallest side here is 3x. So in place of x, if you substitute here, you are going to get 18. So 18 centimeters is the answer. 3 into 6, which is 18. Okay, coming to the next question. Find the area of the equilateral triangle whose side is 6 centimeters. Given the side of equilateral triangle, we know that the area is root 3 by 2 a square. Root 3 by 4 a square, right? Root 3 by 4 a square. So in place of a, you can substitute 6. So what is that you are going to get? Root 3 by 4 into 6 square is 36. So 9 root 3. 9 root 3 centimeters square. Got it? Okay, next one is, the height of a equilateral triangle is 10 centimeters, then its area. Now we know that if each side is assumed to be a, right, then the height of the equilateral triangle in terms of the sides is root 3 by 2 a. So we have already derived it. So if you remember how we derived it is, this is a by 2 and this is a by 2, and since this is a right angle triangle, h square plus a by 2 whole square equal to a square. From that I got that h equal to root 3 by 2 a, right? Now this one is given as, the height is given as, the height of the equilateral triangle is given as 10 centimeters, right? Okay, now what is the value of a? The value of a equal to 20 by root 3 centimeters. Now from this we are supposed to find out the area. So the area of a equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. So root 3 by 4 into a into a. So 20 by root 3 into 20 by root 3. Therefore you are going to get 100 by root 3 square centimeters. Got it? That's the answer. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries, for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.